Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Payment links allow you to create and share a link or QR code with your customers to collect payment. Let's go over how to set up payment links, and then check on their status and edit them. To create a payment link, select Payment Links. If you don't have a payments account, you can sign up for one by selecting Get Started. There's also a link to a video to show you how at the end of this one. If you already have a QuickBooks Payments account, select Create My Link to make your first link. Next, choose the kind of link you want to create. Use a one-time use payment link if you want a specific customer to pay for products or services. Use a multi-use payment link if you repeatedly sell the same products and services to more than one customer. After you create the link, you can share it with multiple customers or on social media. Payment links work great if you expect customers to pay you on the spot or instantly online. If you need to create an invoice to give your customer more time to pay or provide more details, then you should add an online payment option to an invoice instead. Here's a link to a separate video that will show you how. Select Next. You can customize your payment link URL by entering your business name if you'd like. This step is optional. Next, enter the amount you want your customer to pay and a description of what they're paying for. Note that your customer will see this description. Select this option if you're delivering the product after you're paid. Choose how you want your customer to pay you. Once everything looks good, select Create Link. Now you have the option to copy your payment link to send it through an email or text message. You can also post a multi-use payment link to social media or email campaigns, or display your payment link as a QR code to allow customers to scan it and pay right in front of you. When your customers select your payment link, they'll go to a page where they can pay you. From here, they can choose their preferred method of payment from the methods you chose earlier. And don't worry, they don't need to have a QuickBooks account to pay. Once they pay you, you'll receive a confirmation email. Select Payment Links to view the status of your links, such as viewed, sent, paid, and deposited. You can choose to view your one-time links or multi-use links. You can also see if any errors have occurred or if customers have run into problems using your links. For one-time links, you can send reminders, and for either type of link, you can view link details and edit your link if it hasn't been viewed by a customer yet. If your customer has paid using the link, you'll be able to view the sales receipt created for that transaction. Now you're ready to get paid quickly anytime, anywhere by creating a payment link.